Another day, another quality machine at Mullin Machinery in New Jersey. Today we have a Sharp model VH3. That's a vertical horizontal milling machine. It's got a 51 3/16 by 11 3/16 table. It's 40 taper in the vertical. It's 50 taper in the horizontal. Right now it has a BIG quick switch spindle adapter set in it. There are the additional holders. We have the horizontal arbor. The horizontal arbor supports are hanging on the back of the machine. All original paint. Comes with the manual with the wiring diagrams. Table's in good shape. It has X, Y, and knee power feed, spindle feed, has a quick switch for tapping control. Slow speed. High speed. Put the table speeds on. There's your X-axis. Rapid reverse. Your rapids there. Then we got your Y. Y is rapids also. Wrap it out. Then you have your up feed on the knee with rapid on the knee. Feeding down. Then you have your toe feed. We'll go until it hits the stop, or you can reverse it and feed up. Now we'll run the horizontal spindle for you. The horizontal has speeds from 35 to 1,382. Reverse. It's got oil-filled gearbox. The oil's nice and clean. It's got the universal head that swings around. There's coolant on in the base of the machine, along with the chip pan. Overall, this machine is in real great shape. A new one from Sharp. The only thing that changes is the paint color. The new ones are gray. The new one will cost you about $58,000 right now. So check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.